Hello, this is Jeff Kelly, and today I want to be talking about title pawns. And the title of this video is Title Pawns Are Financial Mess. Now, you may be saying to yourself, what? Come on, that's a little extreme, isn't it? No, it's really not. There is a reason that title pawn loans are illegal in 30 states. Let that sink in. They're illegal in over 30 states. They're very, very, very dangerous. Okay, so the American Centers for Addiction states that meth is one of the most damaging and addicting drugs that a person can take. Similarly, taking out a title pawn loan on your car is extremely dangerous to your financial health. Compound interest is a great thing when it's working in your favor. It's made Warren Buffett one of the richest men in the world. Warren Buffett states, "My wealth has come from a combination of living in America, some good genes, and compound interest." Compound interest is great when it works in your favor. But what does it look like when compound interest is working against you? It looks like a title pawn loan. That's what it looks like. Here's how title pawn loans work, most of them. Let's say you have a car worth about $5,000 and it's completely paid off. Typically, I see people come in with loans of around $1,000 on this car, a title pawn loan. Well, if you miss your payment and you don't comply with all the terms, and that title pawn loan expires, the title of your vehicle transfers automatically. It doesn't matter that you're still driving the car. They own your car. It's a terrible predicament to be in. The Georgia Department of Law Consumer Protection Division states that the interest rate that a title pawn company is allowed to charge you is capped by law at 25% per month. That's 300% annually for the first 3 months and 12.5% per month after that, 150% annually. This means a combined maximum yearly interest rate of 187.5%. When the balance owed on a title pawn is not paid, again, I want to emphasize that the title automatically transfers. So what do you do when you're tempted to go take out a title pawn loan? I think you really need to look at your entire financial situation. Is it really just a short-term thing, or is this a symptom of something bigger? It doesn't cost anything to come in and meet with us and take advantage of a free consultation and let us look at the entire picture of your situation. Now, what if you already have taken out a title pawn loan? Why is it that bankruptcy attorneys hate title pawn loans so badly? Well, here's why. There was a ruling in a case, in re Jonathan Northington, where the ruling basically states that Chapter 13 doesn't save you from title pawn. And here's what I mean by that. In the past, before this ruling, we would take the whole balance owed on the title pawn loan and spread it out over 4 to 5 years. Well, per this ruling, you've got 60 days from the date your case is filed to get that balance paid off. And that can be extremely problematic for large loan balances. Sometimes the title pawn company might go along with it. We don't know until we file the case. It's iffy. That's why we don't like title pawn loans. If you've got any questions at all, don't hesitate to give me a call, 770-881-8449. We have office locations in Marietta, Kennesaw, Douglasville, Dalton, Rome, Cartersville, and Dallas, Georgia. And I would also encourage you to check out my website, www.kellycanhelp.com. We've got a search box there. You can search for various topics about bankruptcy that we've written about. And if you'd like to take advantage of a free consultation, give me a call, and I look forward to meeting you soon. Thank you.